This is international keyboard layout, and this is check keyboard layout. So we wanna change. If you wanna change layout keyboard, we can buy here KeyCap here. Here's KeyCap. KeyCap easy to change. So we can take this one, take out, and we change another one to layout whatever we want. I show you how to do. It's see like this. Yes, easy. Take it out. So then we put here, put like this. Easy. Yes. But I don't want to use Czech keyboard, so I change to English. I just for test a little. Yes, okay. Take it out. We can change 1,000 times, 100 times, doesn't matter. Yes, okay. Yeah.